Hello everybody! This video is about how to disable Windows 10 Automatic Update. Here is the first method. It works for Windows 10 Home, Professional and Enterprise. In the search field, enter Services and click on it. Find Windows Update and open its properties. Click on Stop and select Startup Type, Disabled. Then click Apply. Now Windows Update stops working, so updates are no longer downloaded and they cannot be installed automatically. Here is the second method. It works only for Windows 10 Professional and Enterprise. In the search field, enter gpedit.msc and click on it. The Local Group Policy Editor window appears. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, and Windows Update. When you get there, open Configure Automatic Updates and set it as disabled, then click Apply. Here is the third method. You can use free software to disable Windows 10 Automatic Update. I will show you how to do it with the example of this program, Win Updates Disabler. You will find the link below in the description of this video. So start the program and in the tab Disable, check the box next to Disable Windows Updates. Then click on Apply Now for the changes to take effect. With the help of this program, you can also disable the firewall, Windows Defender, and so on. You can turn everything on again if necessary in the tab Enable. And there is one last thing to say. Just in case anything went wrong with installing an update, or you just want to delete some of the updates you installed for Windows 10, here is what you should do. Right-click on the Start menu and select Programs and Features. Then go to the tab View Installed Updates. Sort them by installation date by clicking on Installed On. Then right-click on one of the updates which you want to delete from the system and click on Uninstall. Confirm it. Changes will take effect after the system restarts. That is all for now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you.